see. Do you know the way to heaven?
Ako nga tayo. I'm kind of glad that we discovered this food court. The name is Cosmo Bazaar. I never heard of it before coming here in Bangkok. I really like it. What do you think?
Can you add this one on the rice?
Here is probably like a waiter and then
I want to say something. Imagine my to have something. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate your support. Thank you. It's kind of interesting. We're going to see how it will look like. That it's really sticky. Oh my goodness, what is that? I like it. In the beginning it's all smushy, gluey, and then I hit the coconut inside and it's really good, sweet. I like it.
I want the inside of the
And at this moment, I knew I messed up. I couldn't swallow. I like it. Really? I can feel a bit of artificial flavor. It's a bit bitter at the end, but I still like it. Thanks for watching.